today we're gonna be opening up Fidget Spinners. So let me end up over here. And yeah, I'm wearing Spider-Man, but we have to go with Captain America first. Oh, why is it so cool? Look at this, it's so cool. Look. If you spin it to the right, it goes out. Out. And if you spin it to the left, it goes in. And then just look at the box. Like it's a circle because of shape. Let me just get out that piece of foam. That's so cool. Wait, this is what they used in Squid Game for the honeycomb. If you take out this, it looks like the tray. You just need to wash it. So yeah, see, these are the pieces. I'm gonna put them back so I don't spoil it. Now let's put it back. That's where I keep it. Next, Spider-Man. Okay. I think this video is only going to be like 2 minutes. Now let's check out this. Oh my god, that looks sick. Oh, no way. That looks sick. You guys see that? Let's see who and see it's like you have to put it in a Y shape. That's pretty weird. And now let's see the coolest one. Captain America versus Spider-Man. First Captain America. That looks sick. And let's check out Spider-Man's. The one that I like the most is Spider-Man. See? It's just that. It's like a spider. Like the exact same logo on my costume. And this is just a little dumb star. So, I'm going for the best logo. Spider-Man logo. Okay. Let's twist it. That one's so cool. Let's check out this. Shing! Comment down your favorite Fidget Spinner. So yeah, I just said that. So now let's check inside the boxes. Oh my god, damn it! This is what it looks like. Just a frame. It's a Y. Let's check out the bottom. Look, just a piece of foam. Okay, bye everybody, and Merry Happy New Year.